Hi and welcome to this FortiAppSec Cloud video on Advanced Bot Protection Onboarding. FortiAppSec Cloud Advanced Bot Protection ABP uses a multidimensional deep learning engine to identify and mitigate bot attacks by continuously learning from traffic patterns. It integrates seamlessly with existing FortiWeb, FortiADC, or FortiAppSec Cloud WAF deployments. WAF, FortiWeb, or FortiADC injects a JavaScript snippet into HTTP or HTTPS responses to collect telemetry data such as IP, headers, and device fingerprints. This data is analyzed by the ABP engine using deep learning to determine whether the client is human or a bot. Based on the result, ABP instructs WAF, FortiWeb, or FortiADC to take appropriate actions such as block, CAPTCHA, or allow. Here are a few common scenarios where organizations may benefit from using advanced bot protection. Financial institutions seeking to prevent bots from performing credential stuffing attacks and stealing customer account information. E-commerce businesses aiming to stop automated bots from making fraudulent purchases or manipulating pricing and inventory. Enterprises that need to protect against service disruptions caused by bot-driven DDoS attacks, overwhelming their websites. Before onboarding Advanced Bot Protection ABP, ensure that the following prerequisites are met. You have obtained an ABP license on FortiAppSec Cloud, and if you are using ABP with an on-premises device, you must also have an ABP license on the corresponding FortiADC or FortiWeb. One of the following is in place. If you are using ABP with FortiAppSec Cloud WAF, the relevant WAF application must be already configured in FortiAppSec Cloud. Or if you are using ABP with an on-premises deployment using FortiWeb or FortiADC, the corresponding FortiWeb or FortiADC must be set up for the desired domain. First of all, navigate to Advanced Bot Protection and click Add Application. For basic information, enter a name for this application that will make it easy for you to identify within the FortiAppSec Cloud UI and select a region. Then, add an on-premise integration or WAF application. For this example, we will be creating this ABP application by selecting a WAF application. If there are any API-only domains on your application, specify what they are. Once you are done, click Next. On the Entry Points page, add entry points to indicate URLs on your page that users and bots interact with. Focus on pages you expect to be targets for bot activity. These typically include pages where users submit sensitive information, such as login, sign-up, or checkout pages. When adding entry points, select only the most relevant protection categories to speed up the auto-discovery process. Denial of service. Attempts to overwhelm your site with traffic, causing downtime or slow performance. Auto-discovery primarily detects denial of service activity targeting search pages. Account takeover. Attempts to gain unauthorized access to user accounts. Typically targets login or password reset pages. Automated account creation. Bots create fake accounts to exploit services or commit fraud. Typically targets registration or sign-up pages. Content scraping. Bots extract content from your site, such as articles or images. Typically targets browsing pages. Price scraping. Bots collect pricing information for competitive analysis. Typically targets browsing pages. Once you have finished adding entry points, finish creating application. If you are integrated with a WAF application that has been fully set up with the proper DNS routing, all you have to do now is wait for auto-discovery to analyze your protection entries. If you need to integrate with FortiWeb or FortiADC, click the links on this page to see the instructions on setting up the connection between ABP and FortiWeb or FortiADC. When auto-discovery is complete, you will receive an email notification. If auto-discovery has found suggested protection entries, you can review them by clicking Review Needed under the auto-discovery status. You can also see all suggested protection entries by clicking into the application's name and navigating to the Configurations page. Finally, when you are ready to start blocking all detected bot activity, enable block mode. When block mode is enabled, Advanced Bot Protection recommends FortiAppSec WAF, FortiWeb, and FortiADC to block detected bot activity. Enabling block mode too early may cause false positives, as rule adjustments are based on real-time traffic analysis. Before enabling block mode, make sure you have checked the following. If you are using a FortiWeb version earlier than 7.4.11, 7.6.6, or 8.0.2, and have client-side protection enabled, you may need to add the domain shown in your browser's console error messages to the client-side protection configuration. Check over your JavaScript insertions. ABP's JavaScript is designed to run without impacting your website. If there are any JavaScript-related issues, please contact the support team. Lastly, review all traffic insights to make sure your own server and partner IPs are not blocked. If you find that legitimate bots are blocked, go to your WAF or on-premises integration and enable known bots. To review traffic insights, click into your ABP application and look through the pages under Traffic Insights. To enable block mode, click the switch under block mode on the applications page. Thank you for watching.